Welcome to BreakTech. Today, let's dive into stunning tools and revolutionary innovations that are redefining standards. Get ready to be amazed. Installing beams at height has never been so simple. Thanks to this revolutionary device, each beam fits effortlessly, like magic. The sky is no longer the limit. No need to talk, just watch this machine in action. Admire its raw power and efficiency. Words are superfluous in the face of such performance. You hate counting pieces but love saving money? This smart device sorts and counts for you, preserving both your money and your patience. Discover this unique construction material. It secures stakes with such strength that you'd think it was a Viking invention. Simple, reliable, and storm-resistant. Perfection is our goal. A wooden object so flawless that you won't find a single knot or rough spot. What if a machine cooked your fried eggs before you could even say, "Bon appetit"? Insert them, and your breakfast is ready in seconds. Coffee lovers, rejoice! This robotic barista doesn't ask for tips but makes perfect coffee every time. Your kitchen transforms into a cafe. Watching a large-scale production factory is fascinating. The robotic machines operate with such fluidity that you'd think you were witnessing a choreography of seasoned professionals. This video will tell you more about this tool than words ever could. Watch how it handles each task with bewildering ease. A lot of effort and imagination have been invested in this project. The result exceeds all expectations. Digging your garden by hand? See you in a few years. With this motorized machine, a few passes are enough to transform the earth into aerated soil. Your back thanks you, and your morale soars. Catching a bull bare-handed? Impossible. But with this machine, it's quick, safe, and without the slightest drama. Looking for an ultra-resistant support? You won't find better. This tool works like a master craftsman. Add a little imagination, the right tool, and some knowledge, and voila! You create masterpieces, much more than simple products. Have you seen how quickly and easily you can pack firewood into special bags? Minimal effort for maximum results. Imagine owning this device at home. One click, and you get a natural, fresh, homemade product. Convenient and delicious in minutes. A rusty bolt resisting you? Don't panic. Sometimes all you need is the right tool to solve the problem like magic. An unconventional but impressive delivery. Only the most creative solutions arrive by helicopter. But by the way, what's the fuel bill? Who would have thought that a small spatula could manipulate such dense material with such efficiency? Yet it's quick and simple. Discover an original scooter. Basketball balls instead of wheels. After your ride, detach them for an impromptu game, then reinstall them and continue your urban exploration. Practical and fun, all in one. No need for words. This spectacle on screen is mesmerizing. Sit down and enjoy the show. Have you ever seen bread dough kneaded with such artistry? It's like an art workshop in action, creating breads so beautiful you'll want to photograph them before tasting them. Diving without an oxygen tank on your back? Now, the air supply is in the mask. Put it on and dive as if nothing happened. Discover the versatility of this tool. It serves both as a support for ladders and as a storage box for your tools. Ready for all situations. This mulcher transforms unwanted branches into useful mulch. Cleaner forests and healthier soils. Ecological and practical, isn't it? Prepare for the future of urban transportation, personal aerial vehicles. Imagine avoiding traffic jams, flying at high speed, and enjoying breathtaking views during your daily commutes. Meet the drone, an agronomist of the skies. It ensures precision, protection, and care for your crops. Here's a multi-function tool. It bends, cuts, connects cables, and tightens screws. A compact solution for all your needs. Watch this craftsman transform raw wood into a work of art. It seems like the material willingly bends under his expert hands, like clay in a sculptor's hands. Bending metal bars becomes as simple as molding soft wax with this tool. Feel this power in your hands. What do you think? This homemade burner seems to work very efficiently. Who said vacuum cleaners had to be boring? This futuristic model is as functional as it is entertaining. Cleaning becomes an adventure with a gadget that seems straight out of another dimension. Say goodbye to struggling with corks and caps. This device opens them in the blink of an eye, while you choose which cheese will accompany your glass. What's more spectacular than clearing snow with a flamethrower? Share your creative ideas for its use in the comments. Harvesting chestnuts has never been easier. No more climbing trees, a simple and efficient process, as fascinating as it is exotic. If you love preparing creative treats at home, this genius kitchen robot is about to become your new favorite ally. Floors, tiles, sinks. Everything shines thanks to this steam cleaner. It's like hiring a cleaning crew concentrated in a single tool. You've always dreamed of a jacuzzi but only have a bathtub? No need for renovation. This clever insert transforms your bath into a bubbling space of relaxation. This mobile workshop on wheels is every DIY enthusiast's dream. Literally any project, anywhere. But wait until you see the price tag. Is it worth selling your car for? You decide. That's a wrap on today's mind-blowing tech showcase. But before you go, which invention shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more game-changing innovations. Until next time, keep building the future.